Welcome back to the Car Compass channel. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Lincoln Aviator, exploring its specs, features, performance, and market availability. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator continues its legacy as a luxury midsize SUV, offering a refined design and advanced technology. It boasts a striking exterior with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that enhance its premium appeal. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting. It offers spacious seating for up to 7 passengers with power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats to ensure maximum comfort. A panoramic sunroof, an advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen, and a premium audio system further elevate the experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Aviator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. It pairs with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, providing a refined yet powerful driving experience. The Aviator Grand Touring plug-in hybrid variant combines the V6 engine with an electric motor, enhancing both performance and efficiency. With intelligent all-wheel drive available, the SUV adapts to various road conditions, ensuring confident handling. Adaptive suspension technology further refines the ride by adjusting to road imperfections in real time. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Aviator, equipped with Lincoln's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Enhanced parking assistance and blind spot monitoring contribute to stress-free driving. The vehicle also offers an advanced heads-up display, keeping key information within the driver's line of sight. In terms of technology, the 2025 Aviator comes with an upgraded infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A large digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays for navigation, vehicle data, and safety alerts. Rear passengers enjoy entertainment screens and multiple USB ports, ensuring a connected experience for all occupants. A wireless charging pad and premium connectivity options add to the convenience. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is expected to hit dealerships in mid to late 2024. It will be available in multiple trims, including Standard, Reserve, Black Label, and the Grand Touring Hybrid model. Pricing will vary based on configuration and optional features, with Lincoln offering various customization options for buyers seeking a more personalized luxury experience. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Car Compass for more automotive reviews and updates.